Hi, I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods, and I'm here to tell you today that size matters. Really, maybe not in your world, but certainly in the world of ceramic and porcelain tile. Let me explain what I mean. Many times we find people coming in the store, they're usually plumbers or handymen. They've done a renovation of a bathroom and they had to break a tile, or a tile was broken and they need something to match. They bring in a piece of something that's been down for 20 or 30 years and they say, well, do you have anything in this color? Do you have anything in this style? Do you have anything in this texture? Well, they're asking the wrong question. The question is, do you have anything with this size, with these dimensions? Let me explain what I mean. I have two tiles here. They're both called 12 by 12 ceramic tiles. One is actually measuring 11 3/4 inches and it's 7/16 inches thick. The other one measures 11 5/8 inches and it's 4/16 thick. So let's pretend that the handyman comes in with a second tile and finds something that looks just like it but has the dimensions of the first tile. He orders the tile, he gets it home, he tries to install it. Guess what happens? It doesn't fit. The tile is too big and too thick and won't fit in with the other tiles. So the next time you're trying to match a pre-existing tile, whether you're adding to a floor or doing a repair job, don't focus first on color and style. Focus on size. Get the exact dimensions, bring a sample in if you have it, and start there. Size matters first. Get that right, and you can pick the style and color later. Just a little bit of advice from us at Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods.